These scenes might seem ordinary, but they have one extraordinary thing in common: machine learning. Hey everyone, welcome to the first episode of our AI Explained series on the Mindful Machines channel. If you're intrigued by the world of artificial intelligence but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a vast field. But at its core, it's about creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like a human. A crucial part of this is machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI where machines learn from data. The more data it gets, the better it becomes at making predictions or decisions. You know when Netflix magically knows what movie you'll enjoy? That's machine learning at work. Machine learning works by feeding an algorithm lots of data. The algorithm then finds patterns in this data and uses these patterns to make predictions or decisions without being specifically programmed to do so. There are different types of machine learning, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, each with its unique approach and use cases. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into each of these types explained in detail, so stay tuned. So, if you found this interesting, remember to hit the subscribe button and join us on this journey to understand AI better. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps us out. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will explain how your voice assistant learns to understand you. Until then, this is Mindful Ma.